Good morning, welcome back. In this video, we will look at the latest version of Eclipse and see how we download it, install it, and use it. To download Eclipse, Google Eclipse download. So here's the first link, Eclipse downloads. Click on this. And now we can download this version for the Windows platform, and there's other platforms you can use. I think is so. And let's look at this here. And this is the download right here. So I'm going to click this download. All right, this is going to take a minute. Now download is completed. All right, so let's install it. Click on this file you just downloaded. Please note that before you can install it, you already have JDK, at least version 14 available. So you have 14 on your system and you can download it and choose this Eclipse IDE for Java developer. And that's the simple one here. And for the new Java programmers to learn Java here. And you can now install it into this. I think I have Java. Yes, you need Java 11 at least, but I have 14 now. And click install. I already have this installed. It's really simple process. Just click install and it will install everything to your machine. All right, so now I'm going to use it. I already installed it, so now I can use it. And to use it, I'm gonna go to Eclipse, and here is the one I just installed, 2022 June. This is the latest version installed. I'm going to use it. Now, when you launch your Eclipse, it asks you for workspace. You can just use this default workspace, or you can choose a workspace you like. And so I'm going to just use this default one here and launch. So you can check this as the default for the future. So, but I'm going to leave it and here unchecked for now. So here, launch. All right, so I have it launched. And now I'm going to create a new project from File, choose New, Java project. All right, so here, give a project name. Let's call it a demo. And here you can just use this executing environment for Java runtime. It's this the one I have on my machine. I like to use this project photo as root for sources and class files. So I'm going to put all this .java file and .class file on the one directory. All right, so now I'm going to finish it. All right, no source photo exists in the project. That's okay. We're going to have to create our own now. So this is the project is created. And now I'm going to create a Java program. Just right click on this project node. And choose new Java class. So I'm going to call this is welcome. So please note that I don't use package in the book just for convenience, just to match things in the book. And so I'm not using any package. If you develop your own commercial projects, you need to use package to organize all your classes. So here, let's have this. You can check it here. Say I'm going to automatically generate this public static void main. All right, just check on this and let's finish now. Okay, so this is now created. And I'm going to write the code here is public static. Oh, it's already there. I'm going to write the code is system.out.println. Welcome to Java. All right, so I have this now, and we can run the program. So right click on this, choose run as Java application. All right, so now, and this is the output, the console is displayed. And you can reorganize it and you can move around, and let's put it somewhere here, see if we can, yes, okay, so it's right here. You can create another program, and here, new, so here's another program. This time, call it this is test, and automatically generate this static void here for main. And so let's have another one here. System.out.println. So here's the test. And I have another line. +34. All right, so now right click on this program node here, test.java, and choose run as and Java application. So now you're going to see here is test and 68 coming from the execution of this program. That is all for this video of downloading Eclipse, installing it, creating projects and creating programs, and run and modify the code. That's all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.